The Harley-Davidson Fat Boy 114 in magenta takes a timeless American cruiser and adds a bold, unexpected twist with its vibrant, high-impact color. Long known for its muscular stance, iconic silhouette, and V-twin power, the Fat Boy 114 is one of Harley-Davidson's most recognizable motorcycles. When coated in magenta, a daring, rich fusion of red and purple, the bike becomes even more attention-grabbing, combining old-school muscle with a fresh and expressive visual punch. At the heart of the Fat Boy 114 is the Milwaukee 8 114 engine, a 1868cc air-cooled V-twin that delivers an impressive 119 ft-lbs of torque. This massive torque is available low in the rev range, making the Fat Boy feel powerful and responsive, whether you're rolling through city streets or cruising on open highways. The engine's tone is unmistakably Harley, deep, throaty, and full of character. The magenta finish gives this bike a personality all its own. It's not just a color, it's a statement. Where traditional Harleys often wear darker tones like black, silver, or dark red, magenta adds flair and individuality. On the wide tank, thick fenders, and solid disc wheels, the color emphasizes the bike's dramatic lines and sculpted surfaces. It contrasts beautifully with the satin chrome finishes and black detailing, creating a custom look right off the showroom floor. The Fat Boy's iconic solid disc Lakester wheels, 18 inches front and rear, are wrapped in massive rubber, a 160mm front and 240mm rear tire. These contribute to the bike's road-dominating feel and unique stance. With these proportions, the Fat Boy doesn't just ride. It rolls like a powerhouse with unmatched visual weight and a planted, confident feel on the road. Riders benefit from the modern Softail chassis, which offers improved rigidity and a significant weight reduction over older models. Paired with a monoshock rear suspension hidden beneath the bodywork, the bike preserves the classic hardtail look while delivering modern ride quality and handling. The result is a motorcycle that's both show and go. Despite its intimidating size, the Fat Boy 114 is surprisingly manageable. Its low seat height, 25.9 inches, relaxed riding position, and wide bars make it comfortable for extended rides. Forward-mounted foot controls and plush seating add to its long-distance appeal, while the bike's ergonomics give the rider a commanding view of the road. Additional features include keyless ignition, LED lighting throughout, and standard ABS, for safe, confident braking. The compact instrument cluster blends analog charm with digital utility, displaying speed, fuel range, gear position, and more. In short, the Harley-Davidson Fat Boy 114 in magenta is a fusion of brute power and bold individuality. It retains all the signature traits of Harley's heavyweight cruisers: torque, style, presence, while injecting a splash of vibrant personality. For riders who want the legend of the Fat Boy with a color that breaks tradition and turns heads, the magenta edition is a fearless and unforgettable choice.